First and foremost, big up to all of my subscribers, big up to all who subscribe to my channel. We're going to listen to what Dr. Ledge have to say about the injustice that's going on in Jamaica. They're not supporting Jamaican people in their own country. And that's true. I agree with what he's saying. So let's check the video out, and after that, I'm going to give my take. And viewers and subscribers, you can leave your honest opinion in the comment section if you think what Dr. Ledge is saying is right.
The times we come onto these platforms and we speak about the injustices and biases that Jamaicans must deal with on a daily basis in regards to different races and different nationalities. And people will ask questions in the comment sections like, why don't Jamaicans do this? Why didn't Jamaicans build the road? Why didn't Jamaicans buy the airport? Why didn't Jamaicans build the hotels? Let me tell you this. Jamaica does not cater to Jamaicans. When you see these other nationalities coming to Jamaica to invest, they have huge tax breaks. Many a times they get loans. Many a times they get free land. What are we doing for the Jamaicans? Do you know how many successful Jamaican businessmen and women are living overseas and want to expand their businesses to Jamaica and are afraid to do so? Do you know how many professionals you have in the US, Canada, England, Jamaican descent, working from home and could afford to purchase a home and build a home in Jamaica and work from home in Jamaica and collect foreign currency pay in Jamaica and spend those paychecks in Jamaica but refuse to go to Jamaica because Jamaica does not cater to them? And we tend to pretend as though we don't see these things. The system does not cater to Jamaicans living overseas. The system does not cater to Jamaicans in Jamaica who are able to invest in Jamaica. When you look in Jamaica now, on most streets in most major towns, you saw 15, 16, 20 Chinese, Indian stores next to each other. Who burned them? Who loot them? Who robbed them? Who are killing those entrepreneurs? No one. But I dare a Jamaican to go open a business in his or her community, or start constructing a home in his or her community. Them rob them, them kill them, them burn them, you find them headless. Only not cater to Jamaicans. And that is why we remain slaves. Because we do not empower our own. We empower other people. And then we are what they call the slaves. And they're what we call the masters. And their workplaces are what we call the plantations. It is time we start embracing our Jamaican brothers and sisters, helping them to propel themselves and their businesses to higher heights. In doing so, we'll be making positive contributions to our economy and the development of our nation. We now help Jamaicans, so how Jamaicans gonna move forward? We need to start creating avenues for Jamaicans to invest in Jamaica and feel safe in Jamaica. You think Jamaican people love Jamaica? That's why we talk about it so much. We talk about it so much because we want it to go to a point where we can enjoy it. But as of now, we're unable to do so.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out.
Viewers and subscribers, thank you all for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you all for subscribing. And thank you all for taking the time out to view the videos, people. Because what this man I say right there, say, no, people. Facts him attack, you know. You see me, I say, if you really look upon the racial people, Chinese stick with each other, Indians stick with each other. You see me, I don't know racist thing me I pre. Me I talk about build a nation. You see me? Because there is nothing will get done if we don't do it together. You get me? I say, although it's hard to work with people in a Jamaica and be a group and get things done the right way. And we can do it, you know. But it's just hard to get along with each other. I understand everything what the big man I say, and this I go on long before me was born. And now that I grew up to become a big man, it's still a go on, you see me? Because when I grew up, I see Chinese come in Jamaica, them own businesses in Jamaica. I never see a black man have a big store in the main town where Jamaicans are going to go support him. It's always the Chinese man or the Indian man. You get me? I say, and then when you look, them come with them family. And them family want up my business too. You see me? And Jamaican government, I give them free land. I give them businesses, and if you as a Jamaican want to try to start off a business, they won't even give you a loan to start off a business. And if they give you a loan to start off a business, the loan are going to make you go in a bankruptcy. Because if nobody no come support the thing, you're not gonna have the money to pay back your loan. So leave in the comment section if you don't agree with what the elder say in the video, people. Because sometimes we have to talk about them things, because them things are really serious, you know. Remember now, the country we are talking about, you know. You see me? Because remember, one time we dead and gone, you know, we have a youth that grow up, you know, them need to come see something in the country. We can help them, not to go the wrong way, but to do the right thing. You see me, I say? And me understand that everything now go happen one time, but it take somebody to start it, brother. We have to work as team, one another. You see me? Because we are all human beings, we are all Jamaicans. And we have to support each other like our other country, support them one another. You see me? No matter if them fight or argue with each other, them still support them one another. And Jamaican, we really need to come together and work as a team. You see me? Come love my country down to you ground, you know. No joke.